39 days until Christmas. Good morning, guys. Say hi, guys. I haven't seen you guys in a while. I'm so fudgy. I'm so fudgy. I'm so fudgy. She is teething. You're not gonna show them the teeth. She is teething, and she has a little cold, so she's cranky. What bag is that? Isn't that trash?
There's a pink blanket in there. No, my mother made it.
Oh no, that's Madison's winter stuff. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, so we just decluttered the house. Now we're about to go drop stuff off at donation. And honey's taking me to go get new undies, so that should be fun. Yay! What are you up to, Aaliyah? She's just chilling. She has a birthday coming up on Saturday. She will be 1 year old. Can you say 1? She's gone. All right, roll out. Bye. Bye. So let me show you guys what we did in terms of decluttering this messy house. Yeah, we did a lot of donations over there. Got more donations here, and my husband did the boys' room, and there's truly did the boys' closet. So let me show you guys. So Jaxson is in here now, so I put Jaxson in here, and all of this going all the way back is the twins, and this is their dresser, which my husband broke the dresser trying to put it in there, so that's broken. When we move, it's going in the trash. And then this is Jaxson, so anything here going all the way back. The boys' pajama and their little basketball shorts that they wear in the house. This is Jackson's bag of baby clothes that I can't bring myself to get rid of, and the twins' nursery stuff when they were a baby. I can't bring myself to get rid of baby items that are very sentimental to me. Blankets, and that's it. So yeah, my husband did a good job. Jordan's sheets are in the wash, and Jason is on his bed because his went in first. So yeah, and then we started Destiny's room, but it's not completed. Like her closet is not her bed and all that, it's not completed, so I have to do that another day, right, Maddie? Right, girl? So yeah, donation. More donations. I don't know what I'm doing here. Stuff that came out from over here. I took everything that was here. It's gone. Like, it's all gone. Yes, I'm excited. Next is this whole situation right here. This whole situation. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to today. And so I'm gonna go buy me some lingerie, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Good morning, guys. It's been a while. It's been a few days that you guys haven't seen me, heard from me. I haven't put up a vlog in like forever, so I'm just like, I owe you guys a vlog, so I'm going to vlog today. I've been slowly decorating. If you guys can see back there, don't mind little Jordan here, but over top right there, that's my tree. It's up, and usually it's not up before Christmas, but it's up, like it's there. The other day I was just going through a lot, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put my tree up. And so I did. I put my tree up, so it's up there. See it? I will show you guys it in a little bit. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. So yeah, you see this little thing here? We're gonna, yay. So there go my tree. It's a 7.5, and my ceiling is 8. So I just got extra stuff here. that I went back to Michael's. I told you guys I was going to go back to Michael's. And then good morning, buddy. How did you sleep?
Good.
Good. Okay. All right, go get your stuff ready for school. Good morning. We cut Juju hair. Juju hair is all cut. What is this, a battery? Oh. Juju. Juju. Hi, baby. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so I have to finish putting up the tree. Hey. Good morning. Oh, it's so raspy. Halia, put it back. Give it to me. Oh, give it to me. Go away. Go away. Go away, little monkey. Could you guys do me a favor today before you leave for school? Could you guys pick up back your stuff off the floor, please? Aaliyah, monkey. Leah. Hey, girl. So excited. I moved my computer and it's sitting right here for right now. We don't know where. We might just pack it. Well, I can't pack it up because I have to edit my videos, so it's there for right now. Hey, girl. She's a hot mess. So this is how far I've gotten with the decor right there. And then I have that over there, and then all of that I have to fix. So, but yeah, so today I have to go get my nails done. I've been procrastinating like no other, but I have to go get my nails done. I have to go get my eyebrows done, and yeah. So, but I found something. I found the Ray Dunn bowls for Christmas. I found the Wish and the Believe, and I saw it and I freaked out. I think that lady was like, what in the world is wrong with her? And I was like, I saw her with it and I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, can I have those? And she was like, she was like, what? I was like, the bowls in your hand, give it to me. And I just took them out of her hand. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a second because I'm like, oh. And then I found the mix, the pinch, and the dash. I didn't get the dash. I left the dash behind because I already have a dash, you know. So now I owned the original mixing bowls, and I have the Christmas mixing bowls, and I have the Thanksgiving bowl because it's only one bowl for Thanksgiving. I know I talk about Ray Dunn all the time, but hey, you know what I mean? It's really nice stuff. Like Ray Dunn is like slowly taking over my house. Like you guys are. Y'all need to help me. But I didn't show you guys my tier tray. I'm gonna show you guys my tier tray because I have to do a Christmas decor tour of my house, how I decorate my house for Christmas. But I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek. So hold on. So this is my tray that I'm working on right now, and yeah, I put the trees on here. This is a salt and pepper. This is salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna use it for, you know, something. Not salt and pepper though. I have my Deck the Halls mug. I just put this little guy in there for right now. I don't even know. I'm still working on it. I have my gnome here, Mr. Gnome. Hi, Gnome. We're not sure what we're gonna call him, but we're gonna call him something. Then I have this taste platter that I have to replace with this platter because yes, it's Christmas. And then I just have Mr. I have Nice over here, and he's just sitting right there. And what else? That's it. So I have to clear off my table because my kids were on here doing schoolwork, but this is what the table setting is looking like so far. Guys, I can't believe I didn't even say anything. Today is our 11th year of marriage, and I didn't pick up the camera today because, or for the whole entire week, because it's just so much that's going on, and I just don't want to bring negativity to my channel. Like, I don't want my channel to be about, you know, messy stuff, and I will try to do a video to explain what's kind of going on and explain a bit, but it won't be like in detail. Like, it won't be, you know, where I give you all the details and stuff like that. It will just be just basic stuff. And you know, I hope you guys can understand. And pretty soon I will be back to, you know, vlogging. And yeah, this little girl is about to be 1 in a few days, and I think that's one of the reasons why I'm so emotional, is just that her first birthday is like right around the corner, and it's been a tough year, and I wouldn't change it for anything. You know, I wouldn't change the fact that I am a mother to 5 children. And I wouldn't change the fact that I decided that we would add this little one to the mix, and I wouldn't change anything. It's stressful. It's a lot on my marriage, and marriages over time just tends to disintegrate. They just do. They deteriorate if you don't maintain them, and you have to take time out to maintain your marriage, because if not, it's just going to fall apart. And I'm not saying that because I want to say that. I'm saying it because it's the truth. It's the honest truth. My marriage is deteriorating, and it's because I'm not putting in the work that needs to be put in to have a successful marriage. And once you can realize and recognize, let me fix my hair because my hair always seems to be, once you can recognize what is wrong and you can fix it, then you're fine. But when you're in denial of what is going on, what is wrong, then that's when you're in trouble, because it's like you can't fix something that you're not willing to say to yourself, hey, this is what's wrong, and this is where we need to, you know, strengthen, and, you know, stuff like that. But we will be okay. Well, I will be okay. God's grace. By God's grace, I will be okay. And just keep praying for my family. If you pray, just keep praying for my family. And yeah, I will take as much time as I need to get this right. I will. And I will get it right, and everything will come back to being normal once more. Just need time, you know, just need time. Anyways, 11 years. There were so many, 11 years. Who would have thought that we would have made it 11 years? Not me, but we did it. And I want another year. Just 1 year. Just give me 1 year. And I will promise him that the rest of it will be downhill, I guess. I don't even know if any of this is going to make it into a video. I have so much footage, but I haven't edited anything. You know, when you just want to fall apart, but you can't fall apart. But I'm gonna go to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.